Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. It is the fourth video of a series of 5 videos on how to sew farm animals' finger puppets. And today I'm gonna sew this tiny yellow chicken. The template for the finger puppets is available for you on my Patreon page. It is a service that allows you to subscribe to my content, making monthly payments in exchange for access to my templates and other benefits on this page. Currently, there are already about 50 templates available for you to download. And I add new templates 2-3 times a month. I would be delighted for you to join the group. The link to my Patreon page you can find in the description box under the video below. So, let's get started! Well, my puppet details are already cut. Please enjoy the video, it is a step-by-step guide on how to assemble the project details together.